this is all about what we are going to make. We are making learning more practical.
Thank you, Mr. Brahmamji. Thank you, Brainfeed, for recognizing the son of the soil.
Thank you, ma'am. I think we, belonging to Delhi Public School, it's our pride to be working with the visionary chairman, Sri N. Kumaria.
Firstly, congratulating Mr. Brahmam and his team.
The tech world always wants to scare us. Okay? The technology will come and disrupt.
నేను నా ఫైనాన్స్ కంపెనీ క్లోజ్ చేసి స్కూల్స్ని డెవలప్ చేసి 11 బ్రాంచెస్ ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నాయి ఈస్ట్ వెస్ట్ గోదావరి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్.
Good morning everyone. Thank you so much Brainfeed and the organizers and the stalwarts here, all the educators.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Brahman sir, for selecting me on 7th conference. 7 has been my favorite number.
And most religions, mythologies, ancient philosophies believed.
So, as we all know, we have two brain halves. The right brain half, which conducts everything the left side of the body does.
So, as we can see, school fees today is a highly controversial topic, but not much spoken about.
The 21st century critical skills, those are like critical thinking, problem solving and creativity.
So this is more of like an experiential learning given to the child and giving them the ultimate freedom to come out with their own ideas. Okay.
To our panelist, Ms. Sri Devi, Academic Head, Jubilee Hills Public School. Please give her a big round of applause. We have Dr. T. Sudha. She's the Academic Director of DPS schools as well as Pallavi schools. And we have Mr. Bali, who's the Principal of Hyderabad Public School, Hyderabad. And we have Mr. Chandrasekhar, who's the CEO of Jain Group of Schools.
Child will show that what is his capacity. After some time, it's naturally it resists. It will not take. So, as a preschoolers, we have to understand the actual learning capability of a child, because something is too much for some person may not be much for a other child.